Okay, so the big question is, how do we get submenus on WordPress? So if I go on to new to cruising, we've got all these options here: planning your cruise, cruise resources. How do we get all these submenus and submenus? So how do we get them? Well, I'm just going to show you in this video. Okay, so to do submenus, we go to Appearance and Menus, and once we're on that particular page, we select a menu to edit. Now, usually the one that's there is the one you've been working on last, so that's the one that we're going to change. So if you want to change it, then obviously just click on it and select a new one, but I'm going to work on the top header. Okay, so in the menu structure here, this is where we have all the pages, and this is the menu item, and the submenus below it are here. So if you look down here, there's another one, planning your cruise, and underneath that you can select a submenu of choosing your cabin, the best cruise company, and so on. And below the best cruise company are all these choices, so lots of cruise companies. And again, with cruise resources, we've got all these, and then a submenu, how to get, and a submenu below that, how to get free travel insurance, for example. Now, if I want to move any of those and make, say for example, cruise frequently asked questions, I can just move it across like that. Oh, hang on, I inadvertently moved it up as well. So I can move it across, and that will appear as a menu item on the top. But I don't want that, I want it to remain under the Cruise Knowledge Center. But I can also make it a submenu of Cruise Experiences, which is a submenu of Cruise Knowledge Center. So I do that by just moving it across, and I can move that across like that. So we've got this is a submenu of that, which is a submenu of that, which is a submenu of that. Well, I don't want to do any of those, so I'm going to move them all back, but it's just a matter of dragging them across. And of course, if you don't have any pages on there, all your pages you will find here, so you can view them all, or you can search for them here and then just drag them across to here and arrange them where you want them to be. Hope that's helpful.